Christmas is coming. So first of all, Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. And very soon, we'll say Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. In this video, we're going to talk about New Year's Eve. In Spanish, Nochevieja. Noche means night, and vieja means old. Nochevieja, the old night, the last night of the old year, which is about to end. So, what do we do in Nochevieja in Spain? Pretty much what everyone else does in the whole world. We gather to get dinner together with friends or family, and then we go out to celebrate, to party. But we have a very special tradition. Something we do right before midnight, during the countdown. We eat 12 lucky grapes at the pace of the last 12 chimes of the year that we hear from the bells. Okay, I know what you're thinking. What? What grapes? What chimes? What bells? What are you talking about? Okay, let me start from the beginning. So, what bells? In the center of Madrid, in a square called La Puerta del Sol, there is this big clock with some bells on top. And every New Year's Eve, every Spanish person looks at that clock. Many gather there in La Puerta del Sol, and the rest of us, we follow the whole thing through TV. So, when that clock strikes the last 12 seconds of the year, the bells strike 12 chimes, las 12 campanadas, and we eat 12 lucky grapes for 12 lucky months of the year coming up, las 12 uvas de la suerte. We eat one grape at the base of each chime. This tradition is very rooted in Spain. We always joke about how hard it is for Spanish people to agree on anything. And Nochevieja, New Year's Eve, it's probably the only time we all do the exact same thing at the exact same time. I always thought this tradition was very ancient, but it turns out its origin only goes back to the late 19th century, which in the old Europe, it's really not that long ago. Apparently, wealthy families in Madrid around 1880-something used to have champagne and grapes to celebrate New Year's Eve. And the smart marketing minds of the people from the grape growers industry saw a big opportunity here. They started to market the grapes as lucky around New Year's Eve. And this strategy worked really well because the tradition started to expand from Madrid to the rest of the country, until today, when really every Spanish person eats the 12 lucky grapes, 12 uvas de la suerte, for New Year's Eve, Nochevieja. And if you are thinking that this tradition is something easy to do, eating 12 grapes for midnight, yeah, piece of cake, you're wrong. First of all, try eating 12 grapes in 12 seconds. I'm telling you, it's a challenge. Plus, there is always some confusion about when the chimes are about to start striking, and people get nervous. There's always that one person who starts shushing everyone, the one person who just starts laughing and can't keep the pace, and the one who just cannot swallow 12 grapes in 12 seconds and finishes with a mouth completely full of grapes. And I'm usually those three. It's a great tradition. So anyway, when the clock strikes the last chime of the year and we finish our grapes, we toast with a glass of champagne or cava, Spanish champagne, and we say, Feliz Año. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions about things you would be interested to see in following videos about Spanish language or Hispanic culture, please let me know.